had a major road accident about 21 years ago, 22 years ago. So I was off work for a good while. Just wanted to get out of the house. Found that I was starting to get a little bit of depression. I found out about the classes in the WEA and New Southfields. I've been there ever since.
It's a carpentry workshop. It's like a working environment. They're probably not coming here for a numeracy or literacy development, but it's embedded within the course, so they're sometimes not even aware that they are developing those skills because it just happens so naturally in the environment.
I had problems when I was in school, though I went through an apprenticeship. Fought my way through that, didn't pass any qualifications. The teachers of the year are helping me a lot with the writing and the spelling and stuff like that.
He's always keen to get involved with things, always keen to help people. He can't do enough for people, really. He's really keen to get involved in the volunteering side of things.
It's just passing my experiences on to youngsters which are coming into the workshop and stuff like this. And it's helping the older person to intermingle with the younger person as well.
He's able to really empathise with where other learners might be coming from, and to see that he is making a success of what he's, making these lovely, lovely things and able to share that. He acts as an advocate, really.
Love spoons, carving in the round as well, paper knives and relief carving, anything along that lines. I keep it for myself. There are a lot of people say, well, why don't you sell it? Well, if I sell it, I got nothing there to show. I just like to give it to other people and get them started, in that sense. Congratulations,
Derek. You've done really well. And a big thank you for all the work that you put into the unit and all the valuable work you're doing with all the learners and support with the WEA. Thank you.
It's a bit of a shock, which is, well, I've never had anything like this in my life. So it's, well, the only thing I can say is shocked.